Before buying a dive watch, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of them look great on paper, but only real buyers share the hidden truths. Let's dive into the top 5 dive watches under $2,000 that actually deliver.
Product number 1, Casio MRW 200H series. The Casio MRW 200H series is a real gem, priced at just $23.97. Honestly, what caught my attention is its impressive 330 feet of water resistance, and that it's made by Casio, a brand known for reliability. If you want an affordable watch that won't let you down during your aquatic adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 330-foot water resistance means you can comfortably go swimming, snorkeling, or even just splash around without worrying about damaging the watch. Plus, it features a rotating bezel, a day and date display, and a durable resin strap. The Japanese quartz movement ensures you get accurate timekeeping, which is crucial when you're underwater. With over 1,000 units sold just in the past month, it's clear that this watch is a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the analog display being hard to read in low light. Here's the thing though, this watch isn't designed for nighttime diving, so if that's a deal breaker for you, it might not be the best fit. But if you're mostly using it during the day or for casual swimming, it's a great option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly dive watch for casual use. Skip this one if you need something with advanced features or better visibility at night. For under $25, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the analog style isn't your cup of tea, the next option is all about modern functionality and style.
Product number 2, LN Limkeen Analog Sports Watch. Next up, we have the LN Limkeen men's watches, priced at just $9.99. What grabbed my attention is its unique design and the fact that it's targeted toward medical professionals. If you're in need of a practical, easy-to-read watch for work or play, this is worth a serious look. The 30-meter water resistance is ideal for everyday wear, letting you sweat or get caught in the rain without worry. The glow-in-the-dark feature is super handy, especially if you're working night shifts or need to check the time in dim conditions. With its Japanese quartz movement, you're getting reliable timekeeping, and the anti-scratch mineral dial ensures durability. Over 800 units sold in a month shows it's a solid choice for many. Now, some people mentioned that the watch felt a bit bulky on smaller wrists. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a larger, sporty look, this watch will fit right in. But if a slim profile is more your style, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable watch that's designed for both practicality and style. Skip this one if you want something that blends seamlessly with formal attire. At this price, it's an incredible deal. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who enjoy digital features.
Product number 3, Passoy Digital Sport Watch. The Passoy Digital Watch comes in at only $9.91, and I was genuinely surprised by the features packed into this budget option. With a big dial and multiple functionalities, if you want a sporty digital watch that can handle the elements, this is worth a serious look. This watch has a 50-meter water resistance rating, which means you can take it swimming or use it in the rain without worrying about damage. The LED backlight is a game changer for visibility in low light conditions, and it includes functions like a stopwatch and alarm, which are perfect for fitness enthusiasts or anyone needing reminders throughout the day. With over 400 units sold in the last month, it's clear that people are impressed. However, some users found the buttons difficult to press while submerged. Here's the thing, if you're diving deep, you probably want a more specialized watch, but for everyday activities and casual swimming, it performs just fine. This is perfect for you if you're into digital watches with practical features for everyday use. Skip this one if you're looking for a watch that feels premium or has a more refined appearance. At under $10, it's a steal. Now, if you're leaning toward a more classic design, let's check out the next product that offers a blend of style and performance. Product number 4, Casio MDV 106 series. Next on the list is the Casio MDV 106 series. priced at $71.96. Right off the bat, I was impressed by its 200 m water resistance. It genuinely makes it suitable for serious diving. If you want a sturdy, reliable dive watch that doesn't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. The unidirectional rotating bezel is essential for divers, allowing you to keep track of your dive time accurately. Luminous markers and hands ensure visibility in dark waters, which is something you absolutely need when exploring underwater. Plus, the stainless steel case adds to the durability. With over 300 sold in just the past month, it's a popular choice among divers. Now, some users noted that the watch can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. Here's my perspective. If you're serious about diving, the weight can actually be a sign of solid build quality. But if you prefer something lighter for everyday wear, you might want to think twice. This is perfect for you if you're a diving enthusiast looking for a watch that can handle the depths. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight or more casual style. At this price, you're getting a solid build and great features. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more stylish without compromising on quality, let's move on to our final pick. Product number 5, LN Lemkin Fashion Wristwatch. Last but not least is the LN Lemkin Stainless Steel Waterproof Analog Quartz Watch, priced at $9.98. I found the design to be sleek and fashionable, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. If you want a stylish watch that also offers some water resistance, this is worth a serious look. With a 30-meter water resistance rating, it's great for daily wear, whether you're at the beach or just caught in the rain. The luminous dial makes it easy to read at night, which is a nice touch for those evening outings. The silicone band adds comfort, making it suitable for long wear. With over 200 units sold last month, it's clear that lots of people appreciate this blend of style and functionality. Some customers mention that the watch can scratch easily due to its material. Here's the thing, while it may not be the toughest watch out there, for everyday use it holds up just fine. If you're someone who's really hard on their gear, this might not be the best pick. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a stylish watch that can transition from work to play. Skip this one if you're looking for a rugged diving watch. For the price, it's an excellent option that delivers on style and function.
To wrap things up, we covered the Casio MRW 200H, a great budget-friendly option. The LN Lenquin Analog Sports Watch, which is perfect for medical professionals. The Passoy Digital Watch for sporty functionality. The reliable Casio MDV 106 for serious divers. And finally, the LN Lenquin Fashion Wristwatch for style. Each watch offers something unique, so it really depends on your needs. Whether you're diving deep or just want something to wear daily, there's a great choice in this list for you.